Hey guys, welcome to Train Those Gains. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 different exercises you can do using only a kettlebell. Okay, so the first one is a shoulder swing. Have your legs shoulder width apart, bend your knees slightly, have your back straight, and swing so it's level with your head. The second is an alternating swing, which is exactly the same. You just do one arm at a time and swap arms. Next is a high pull. Hold it like this, stand up straight and just lift the kettlebell to your chin. Fourth one is an overhead swing. Same as the first one, you just lift it over your head. Fifth is a side swing. Legs shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, but this time you have the kettlebell sideways and then swing like this. Lift it up. Don't bring it all the way across. Try and get it as up as to shoulder length. And then swap over. Without hitting yourself in the leg, preferably. Okay, this one is basically a push-up, but you have the kettlebell on one side of the arm. So push up, go down, pick up the weight, drag it to that side. And carry on. Next is a squat and twist press. So legs shoulder width apart, back straight, go down as a squat, then rotate like this, back down, other way. Next is a uni overhead squat. Okay, so hold the weight in one of your hands over your head and then go into a squat. Other side. Next is a uni high pull, basically the same as the other one, but one arm at a time. And last, it's basically just a bicep curl. Still, same as you would do with a dumbbell. Keep top part of your arm in position and just move the forearm up and down. Okay, well that does it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a video. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, like me on Facebook, and feel free to support me on Patreon. And remember, train those gains. And train at home. Don't go outside. Stay home.